Hello guys, good morning. Today in another video I am going to explain the scaling. So in this scaling, generally first I am telling you what the general thing. Suppose you have to plot 3, 4. Then it is very easy to plot 3, 4. General scaling, what you know? In the general graph paper, there is a 10 mm division, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 division, and you write here 1 and so on. And so on. So, in that case, you will go up to 3 and this side you will go up to 4 and you will plot the point. So, if the point is not in the fraction, then students can easily plot. But whenever it is in fraction, like 7 by 2, 5 by 3, then students have a problem how to plot it. For this, I have taken today topic is scaling. So scaling is very important to understand how we'll take the fractional point on the graph paper. Clear? So now, generally it is 10 mm is equal to 1. Here we will not take 10 mm is equal to 1. So how you will take? So you have to consider the point. Which point you have to plot? Here is 7 upon 2 x-axis point and y coordinate is 5 by 3. In this way, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 and 3 is 6, so you have to consider, instead of 10 mm, you have to consider 6 mm is equal to 1. So that's why I have written a scale is equal to 6 mm is equal to 1 unit on both axes, everywhere. So now I have put the point like that. After 6 mm 1, another 6 mm 2, another 6 mm 3, and so on. In this way, this side I have plotted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side I have plotted minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This side also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now come to your question. Your question is 7 by 2. So you have to make this be 0.6 in denominator. For that you have to multiply by 3. 7 into 3, then 2 into 3, and this 3 denominator you have to make 6. For that you have to multiply by 2. 5 into 2 divided by 3 into 2. In this way your point becomes 21 by 6 and 10 by 6. Now you have to plot 21 by 6 on x-axis and 10 by 6 on the y-axis. So 21 by 6 you have to consider 21 mm from starting. This is 0. So 6, 6, 12 and 6, 18. In this way you have taken 18 mm. Now 3 mm is more. So after this 1, 2, 3. This line, this point is your 21 by 6. Now 10 by 6. This is your 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw perpendicular against this point, and whatever the point you will get, this is your B point and this is your 7 by 2, 5 by 3. In this way, the fractional point you can plot, and no need to draw this dotted line. You can directly see in the straight perpendicular, and wherever both perpendicular will match, that is your point B. Now I am going to take the another point, A point, 13 by 6, 0. So 0 you can say 0 means 0 upon 1. Now the LCM of 6 and 1 is 6. So again the same graph will you can use for this point also. So 13 by 6 means 6, 6, 12 and 1 point is 13. 13, 1 is this. And y-axis is 0. So you have not to go on y-axis. So this 12 and 1, 13. This point is your A point and this is your 13 by 6 comma 0. In this way, you are able to plot both the points. This is your A point and this is your B point, and thank you for this. I hope in future you will not do any mistake in plotting the fractional points on the graph. Thank you very much.